SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Welcome to our video about how to use a different Siri accent on iPhone 15. If this guide helps you out, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. If you use the Siri feature on your iPhone, then you're probably accustomed to it having a specific sound. But you're able to change some of the settings for the Siri voice, including the accent that is used. You can adjust the iPhone Siri accent by opening the Settings app. You can then scroll down and select the Siri and Search option. And now you just need to choose the Siri voice option from this menu. Now you'll see that there's several different accent options up here depending on the current language setting for your phone. So if you want to switch to a different accent, then you just need to type one of these different options.
Hi, I'm Siri.
And
Choose the voice you'd like me to use.
Then note that it's going to have to download the accent that you select, and you're going to see a bunch of different voice options underneath the accent that you can choose to change the way that Siri sounds on your phone.
Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit solveyourtech.com.